Hello! In this video, you will learn how to insert math equations in Articulate Storyline 360. Go to the Insert tab and select Equation. This opens the equation editor. In the markup field, type your formula using LaTeX. As shown here, this example includes a cube root, a nested square root, and a fraction, all in one. You'll see a live preview of the rendered equation. Add short and long descriptions for accessibility. Pick a color that ensures readability. Click Insert to place the equation on the slide. Edit or resize at any time using the pencil icon or size and position editor. And that's it. A quick, effective way to bring complex equations into your e-learning courses. Need help writing LaTeX? Try this editor. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.